Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk about my Amazon merch sales for July and compare them to year-to-date or to my all-time sales, which is pretty much year-to-date because I started only in December 2020 with uploading to Amazon merch. So what you can see here is July sales. I've had 28 sales in total on Amazon merch in July. And what we can see here is that it really peaked towards the 25th of July. And with 28 sales in the month, that is the same number of sales as I had on Spreadshirt. So they are pretty much the same now for me, which is great. The sales have gone up on Amazon merch compared to the months before, and I can show you that in a minute. But what I want to say is that most of these sales have actually come, or not most, but pretty much 40 to 45% have come from one single design, which mainly also came from the US marketplace. But after that, I made this design available on the UK marketplace, had some sales there as well. And then I also, Amazon did the auto upload of that design for me to the Japanese marketplace. So it was Amazon themselves looking at the design apparently, and probably thinking, yeah, it's getting some sales, so we will make it available on the Japanese marketplace. So they did that all automatically. And yeah, since then, unfortunately, the sales have dropped again. That design peaked on the 25th of July, 5 sales on the US marketplace and 2 sales on the UK marketplace. So yeah, 7 sales in one day from one design. That was pretty good. This is my first bestseller really on Amazon merch. I mean, I had a few other ones which sold quite well, but not to that degree. So I'm quite happy with that. So let's take a look at how this compares to the all-time sales. Now, this is pretty much my second best month on Amazon merch. As you can see here, I started in December. In December, I bought myself out of tier 10. So I bought 10 shirts myself. So you can see 18 sales in December. 8 of these then were organic and 10 were actually, I just bought myself out of it just to make sure that I get a head start or a quick start, I don't know how you call it, but to get a good start on Amazon merch. Yeah, and that allowed me to tier up quite quickly. And then January was quite good in general across all platforms. February, March, unfortunately, not a lot happened there. I don't really know why, but then in April and May I had quite a few sales, and that allowed me to get out of tier what was it, well, at least I got my first 100 sales, which then allowed me to get to tier 500, which I achieved in July. So it took far over a month to get from tier 100 to tier 500. But that's okay. I'm now tier 500. In June, I was a little bit demotivated. I also didn't upload a lot. I didn't really spend a lot of time on Amazon merch. The reason for that was that I just waited for that upgrade, that tier upgrade. But I realized I had to publish more products, which I did. But it's a bit painful to have to go in there every day and add some more products. But yeah, I did that, found my way through. And now in July, finally, it's picking up. 28 sales in total. 8 of these from the US marketplace, 8 from the UK marketplace. I'm quite happy with that because I believe I can see an upward trend. July was good. May was even better, but I think there was also one design that sold like on one day 10 times, so that was quite good as well. So the design that sold quite well in July was an evergreen design, Farm and Ranch Life. I believe that can sell all year round, so hopefully that will become a long-lasting bestseller. Obviously, I can't guarantee that. It might be, maybe there's some kind of holiday or anything that I'm not aware of. Why this one sold quite well? All it does is just shows a tractor, and it's like a design from All Sunsets as well, a background retro sunset design. So that subscription of All Sunsets has sold quite well, and has paid itself back as well. But yeah, my goal now is obviously to get the 500 sales. I now have, I think, 154 or something like that. So there is a bit of a way to go now until I get 500 sales. It will take a while probably. My goal is obviously to publish more designs now, publish more products, and get more sales in the coming months, especially with Q4. So I hope that Q4 will get me out of tier 500. Out of tier 500 to tier 1000. And then I can increase my business even further in the next year. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for today. Let me know what tier you are and how many sales you had in July in the comments. And then I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please smash the like button as always. And if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, please support the channel by subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.